we have inside, and we have outside corners.
Okay. Yep.
So there's little notches that are in the panels that tell you where to trim the plastic off.
Okay, I was going to say, because that looks trimmed.
Did a little pre-work,
disclosure.
right? First of all, before we'll flip it around, right? So that's an outside corner, right? Or you can go ahead and do an inside corner.
Yeah. What's really nice about it is you just need one panel. You don't need to order inside corners. You don't need, the outside corners. One panel does it all.
So what do you use to trim that? I mean, obviously a saw to cut the stone, but
people use like a hand grinder, right?
Yeah,
to kind of trim the back
and snips.
The stone off.
And some snips can just cut that, because this right here, you would just cut this little bit of a plastic off of here. Just makes it really smooth and easy to do. Very, very simple and easy.
So you don't have to measure. The manufacturer's done some really unique stuff with notching kind of reference points that will cut in half and do all those different things.
It's integrated right in the panel itself. So it makes it very, very easy.